Bitcoin is breaking out, hitting a new all-time high, but the data is telling us a very clear story and is telling us exactly what is about to happen next for Bitcoin. We've been perfectly grabbing the upside liquidity, but I've got some very interesting data to show you, which is telling us what is about to happen next. So we'll need to be talking about that exactly. Our Ethereum trade and our Bitcoin trade is pumping very nicely. We have got a lot of things to talk about in today's update video, a lot of interesting data to show you guys, and a lot of very good charts that you need to see right now. So as always, let's get started with a shorter time frame. And in a shorter time frame, Bitcoin has been perfectly breaking out to the upside. This has been no surprise for us because the data has been painting a very clear picture. Anyways, we have been getting this break to the upside, perfect retest over here. So yesterday I have been sharing that it's going to be very likely to see a breakout to the upside. You can go back on my channel and you can find over here your last chance. I've uploaded this yesterday. Do not mess this up. All of these videos exactly talking about the fact that we were gonna see this break to the upside. Right now, Bitcoin is still just fighting all-time high levels of resistance. So this is going to be a huge level for the Bitcoin price. I would not be surprised to see a bit of consolidation below this level before then eventually a break to the upside, because the data once again is showing us a very clear picture. So we need to have a look into that exactly a little bit later. First of all, going to be important to share that today will be your last chance to claim this insane bonus, a free $100 trade that you can still claim for a couple of hours, because this campaign is going to be ending by today. Make sure to check out that first link down below. Anyways, attacking some crucial resistance at this moment, but I'm not worried at all. I'm still sitting on my hands. I will still remain to keep my trades open. Yes, I did take a little bit of profit from my Ethereum trade. This is just to pay some of my fees. On VX, I didn't take any profits just yet still. I still do think that the prices are gonna continue to rise much and much higher. And we are still going to be breaking above this resistance. This is just the beginning of a much bigger move that is going to be getting initiated, because volatility has been sitting at these all-time lows. And always after sitting at these all-time lows on the Bollinger Bands indicator for the Bitcoin volatility, we always tend to see a massive move getting initiated. You can be seeing it on this chart over here. And right now, the same thing will be happening in my opinion. On top of that, we are getting this bull flag breakout at this moment. Right now, it is confirmed. Nobody can deny the fact anymore. I mean, for Bitcoin, everything is just looking very good. We have already been having a look into this downward sloping level of resistance. Many people have been saying, no, you're you're drawing it incorrectly. You need to be drawing it like this. But in this case, right now, all of the bears have been proven otherwise as well. From of this downward sloping level of resistance, we've also been getting our breakout. So you cannot deny the fact anymore that we are getting a break, a very clean break to the upside, while everything is looking very good. We are just breaking the range. We are breaking the range to the upside, and we are about to initiate much and much higher. First of all, well, the data is still looking very good, because still even more liquidity is getting piled up on the top side. You can be seeing it over here. There's still a small pool of liquidity sitting at the top side. This is because the majority of the Bitcoin market is still trading short. Still, the Bitcoin funding rates are trading not negative, but at least below the neutral area. So below the 0.01% mark. Bybit is trading at the 0.01% mark, but all of these other exchanges are trading below the neutral point, which is meaning the majority of the Bitcoin market is still trading short. And this is causing all of the liquidity to be piling up on the top side. And we do know that Bitcoin 90% of the time always tends to go to the place where the majority of the liquidity is sitting at. Right now, all of the liquidity is getting piled up on the top side. So, I mean, you do the maths, right? On top of that, I've got a lot more to show you because, yeah, funding rates are trading below the neutral area. On top of that, there's no interest at all still in Bitcoin. We are quite literally hitting new all-time highs. We are breaking all-time high resistance, but still there's no retail interest at all. You can even see it over on my channel, right? The views are still very low compared with where they were during the beginning part of this year, where we still got a lot of retail interest. So right now, there's no retail interest at all, and this is crucial, because as long as there's going to be no retail interest, I still do think prices are gonna continue to rise. On top of that, as long as everybody is still going to be trading short, I still do think that Bitcoin is going to be headed much and much higher. Now, even on top of that, what global liquidity is telling us the same exact thing, because the global liquidity is also going parabolic with this 50-day lag or 100-day lag. We have been breaking this downtrend over here. Global liquidity is rising, and I just think that Bitcoin is soon about to follow the global liquidity, just like it has always been doing ever since the ETF launch. Over here, we've got the ETF launch, and Bitcoin has always been following the global liquidity, both to the upside, to the downside, and right now to the upside again, in my opinion. So yeah, everything is just lining up. The stock market has already been reaching these new all-time highs. The Nasdaq has already been breaching these new all-time highs. Bitcoin has just been following, but I think we are about to print some new all-time highs, and we are about to go much and much higher with this inverse head and shoulders breakout, which we are also getting. I mean, we have been forming this clear and clear inverse head and shoulders pattern over here, and we are breaking the neckline at this moment. We just need to be closing this weekly candle above, which it is looking like very likely we are about to do so, because all of the charts are just lining up. We've just got everything pointing into the same direction, everything pointing into the direction that we are about to break even higher. We are also getting this inverse head and shoulders pattern over here. Not seeing the breakout just yet. We are testing this neckline over here. Still, this is going to be a crucial level to be breaking above, just like this resistance over here. We could be seeing a bit of a rejection in the shorter time frame, but ultimately in that longer time frame, I just think Bitcoin is going to be headed much and much higher from of these current levels. That is going to be exactly the reason why I'm not taking any profits yet. I will still remain to be in my trades, because in that longer time frame, I just think we're going to be initiating this last and final wave. Like, a lot of bears and a lot of haters have been doubting me about this, right? You can just see it in the comments. Everybody has been getting very bearish, been getting very fearful, but I've been just pointing out the facts very straight. I've been saying it time and time again. This is exactly what I'll be doing. And during this consolidation over here, during this boring consolidation, everybody has been doubting me again. I mean, I've been buying the bottom over here. I've been sticking to my guts. I've been clearly sitting on my hands during this entire wave to the upside. I've been very clearly very bullish during this entire wave. Right now, during this consolidation, I've also been very bullish. I've been buying the exact bottom again, and still people are out there. Still, people are bearish, while I've been very clearly stating that we are gonna break this consolidation out to the upside. And right now, just have a look at what Bitcoin is doing, right? So yeah, do not ignore what is happening right in front of your eyes. I mean, I've been very clearly stating this. Make sure to be subscribed to my channel. Anyways, if you're going to be getting interested in trading yourself as well, make sure to check out that first link down below, because with the first link down below, you can still claim this $100 bonus, which is only going to be valid for another couple of hours. After these couple of hours, this campaign is going to be ending. So right now you can still claim it. Make sure to check it out with that link down below. Check if it's still going to be available, and if it is going to be available, congratulations, you can claim $100 by only signing up an account, binding your phone number, binding an email address, maybe complete KYC, and there you go, claim a free $100. On top of that, you can also claim these other insane bonuses, like a 25% fee discount. Like, if you deposit only $100, you're going to be getting an additional $20. So
just check it out with that link down below. Anyways, for that longer time frame, I've been stating that Bitcoin is going to be headed much and much higher. We haven't been hitting these topping out areas, right? On the on-chain indicators, we have been hitting these topping out areas. On the RSI indicator, we haven't been hitting these topping out areas. On the price action, we haven't been hitting these topping out areas. So we're still just going to be headed even higher. We are breaking above this Fibonacci level of resistance, and after breaking this level, we're just going to be headed so much higher. I've been talking about this fact exactly. Been talking about this symmetrical triangle pattern over here on the Ethereum price action, and I have been telling you that this is a very good trade which you can be taking in my Platinum group, which you can be also joining completely for free with that first link down below. Make sure to be joining it, because in here I share all of my trade updates. I share all of the good trading opportunities you can be taking. I've been sharing some trading updates yesterday, so make sure to join this Platinum group if you are interested in trading. This is going to be a crucial group you want to be joining if you are interested in trading. Anyways, for Ethereum, I'm just going to be sitting on my hands still. Yes, we are taking the upper side of the range. I have been taking a little bit of profits just to cover my fees, but I still do think Ethereum is going to be headed much and much higher. Is at least going to be taking the 4K level, the upper side of the ultimate range over here. So yeah, this is going to be my ultimate target. I still think that this move over here can be happening very quickly. Make sure to be prepared for it. Every single indication, every single chart is lining up. Yesterday we've got another $211 million of ETF inflows, while the spot Bitcoin ETF only got 215 million. So yeah, comparable, we are getting a lot of ETF inflows for Ethereum. Russell 2000 has been front-running Ethereum just like it did during the last bull market beginning, right? And Ethereum is just soon about to catch up. So, I mean, everything is just pointing into the same direction. Altcoins are about to see this massive breakout, but for that, make sure to join my Platinum group to see exactly on how I am going to be trading this. So, make sure to join the Platinum group, and yeah, we're going to be headed for very exciting times. Just make sure to prepare yourself right now. Pay attention right now. This is not going to be the time to be lagging behind. This is going to be the time to do your own research, to pay attention. And anyways, guys, with that being said, make sure to follow all of the links down below, and I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.